Hold on, wait. Let them hoes get into it right quick. You see me? Yes, hair on fleek. You in my business? Don't do that.
Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm in my bonnet today, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. As you can read in the title down below, I'm about to try some butterfly locks for the first time. But before I do, I'm gonna have to pull out my sewing that I currently have in now. Guys, do not laugh at me. Like, this is, I just wake up and I'm about to pull this out. Yes, it get really ruggedy and rough and all of that, so I'm gonna take them out now, wash my hair, and then we're gonna start the process of the new year that I'd like to try. So stay with me. I won't tell you. I mean, you guys are going to see it in the title down below, but I don't know how that is gonna turn out as yet. So let me just go and cut this out, and I'll be back because I have to cut this out, wash my hair and oil it and all of them stuff, and then we're gonna start. All right, so stay with me guys, stay with me. All right. Okay, so I wash it and everything now. So what I'm gonna do is to start the process of getting it done. All right, so let's go get it. Okay, so I have my piece of glass that I'm using. Guys, do not worry about the glass. It is still doing its job. It just break and I had to put tape around it. So this is what I'm going to use to look if my part is straight. Alright, and remember, I am using my mirror right here, but I have to use this glass to ensure that my part is straight. Don't worry about the mirror. As I said before, it is still doing its job. Okay. Okay, so I was thinking that my plaits are too short, so I'm just adding some braids to it. So when I'm wrapping, I do have something to wrap on because I kind of fear wrapping my short hair and then running out. Do you understand that way? So I am putting in some hair. I'm not pulling out the plaits. I'm just going to insert the braid in and plait it in the hair that I already have plait already. Okay, so I went ahead and I did all the plaits first. As you can see, I added here to all of it. So I did all the plaits first, and now I'm going to go in to start doing the wrapping. These are some passion twists here that I had, so I'm going to just use them to wrap to do it. So let's go.